Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in the previous videos we have already discussed the basic counting principle and of multiplication, of course, and we have also discussed the general basic counting principle of multiplication. So we have got some examples to solve related to those concepts. For example, I have got this example where it says that there is a person, say Kyam Louis, who has five different five different pair of pants, five different shirts, and three different pair of pairs of pants. Okay, another question is, in how many ways can he match his shirt and pants? The question is, in how many ways can he match his shirt and pants? This is the question. So the answer to this question is very simple. So there are two tasks. Task 1 is wearing shirt, and task 2 is wearing pant or putting pant. Like, in how many ways can he do these two tasks? So first task is of wearing shirts and the other one is pants. So pant, okay, definitely pants, pants. So first task can be done in 5 ways, and the other task can be done in 3 ways. So by multiplication principle, 15 ways. So there are 15 ways he can match his shirt and pants. So we can also illustrate this using a tree diagram. For example, uh, let's say this is my shirt 1, and this is shirt 2, this is shirt 3, this is shirt 4, and this is shirt 5. Now for every single shirt, if he has put on this shirt, if he has worn this shirt, then there are three pant options along with this: pant 1, pant 2, pant 3. On the same lines, here we also have three chances: pant 1, pant 2, pant 3. Again, similarly, pant 1, pant 2, pant 3. Similarly here, pant 1, pant 2, pant 3. On the same lines here, pant 1, pant 2, pant 3. So like, here are total possible matchings. Number 1, this one, which is shirt 1 with pant 1. Other one, shirt 1 with pant 2. Shirt 1 with pant 2. And the third one is this, shirt 1 pant 3. Similarly, shirt 2 pant 1, shirt 2 pant 1, and shirt 2 pant 2, shirt 2 pant 2, and then shirt 3 pant 3, shirt 3 pant 3. On the same lines you can list these, and this one, and then this one, this one, this one, and this one, and you can count these 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 9 from here. So there are 15 possible matchings. So you can have 15 different looks if you just have 3 shirts and 5 shirts and 3 pants. You can make 15 different looks. So till 15 days you will be having a new look. So here is another question which says that Sadia is caught up by a surprise test which consists of 4 true false questions. Now the question is, in how many ways can he answer all the questions by purely guesswork? So in how many ways can we answer this question paper which has 4 questions? So there are 4 questions. There is a possibility that in first you pick true. If you and first if you pick true, then for this true the next could be false, and if first one was false then next could be true, or even next could be false. First one was true, then the next could be false, even next could be true. And if the previous two are true false, then the other could be true or maybe false. And if first one was true, second one was true, then third could be true or third could be false. So in this way you can possibly think of making a diagram. But if you realize, we can answer is simply, if you realize that there are 4 questions, and if I consider each question like doing a task, then for every task I have 2 options or 2 possible outcomes. So question 1 is the task 1, and it can be, it can have 2 possible outcomes, and then task 2, task 3, and then task 4, because task 2, 3, 4 are depending on the previous ones. Like if this one was true, then this could be false or true. So like the next one is related to the previous one, ठीक है ना? Like, so you can multiply all of these and you get 2 to the 4, which is 16, and you can generalize this idea. If there are 10 questions, then this will be 2 to the 2 to the 2 to the 2 to 10 to the, like, if there are till 10, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, maybe 10. So like this is 2 to the 10. If there are 20 questions, then 2 to the 20. 30, 2 to the 30. If there are n questions, then 2 to the n will be the formula for this. Now it is asking another question, and it says that a coin is tossed 3 times. So a coin is tossed 3 times, find the number of possible outcomes. Don't forget that this coin has, for each flip we have either head or tail. Okay, so we want to know that if we toss a coin 3 times, how many possible outcomes are there. So let's try this information, what is going on. Let's see. So let's say you have flipped the coin, then there is possibility for the first flip either you get head or you can get tail. So if you have got head on the first, then there is possibility that on second you get head or you could get tail. Similarly, if you have first one as tail, then second could be head or second could be tail. Now if first two were head, then third could be head or third could be tail, like this, head head head, or third one could be head head tail. So first one was head, second was tail, then third could be head or third could be tail. Same line, this could be head or tail, and head or tail. So you can see that first one could be this combination, head head head, head head head, and second one could be head head tail, like this, head head tail, or maybe you can have head tail head or head tail tail. So this is 1 2 3 4, then you can have this 5, or you can have this 6, or you can have this 7, or you can have this 8. So there are 8 possibilities, but there is another alternative way which is very easy. You can treat this flipping the coin or tossing the coin uh, as a task. So there are 3 tasks, okay, and each task has 2 possible outcomes, head or tail. So if you are tossing the coin first time, then you can get head or tail, the 2 possible outcomes, then again 2, again 2. So this is just multiplication, basic counting principle. So it's 2 power 3. If you flip the coin n times, then total possible outcomes will be 2 to the n. If you flip it 10 times, to the 10. If you toss 20 times, it's 2 to the 20. So now you should think yourself that in place of coin, if you get die rolling, then you know that for each one you will be having then six outcomes. So if you have for each like the die roll, you have six possible outcomes, and you are rolling it three times, then that means 6 power 3. If it is rolled n times, it will be 6 to the n. I think these were the questions which were related to basic counting principle, and I'm sure they made sense to you a bit.